So to create the reverse video on CapCut PC, very easy, but I'm gonna share with you very interesting step or tricks. I'm gonna share with you like you can also reverse a text and a video and an effect at the same time. So watch till the very end because this is a short video. I'm gonna share very nice tips. So what you need to do, let's say I only want to reverse now this video. Well, all I have to do is just to click on this button, and now this video is reversed. As you can see, very easy. And now if you want only a portion of the video, you can just cut this portion, and now you will reverse this portion. Or you can click on Command plus P, and now you click on reverse, and now this is reversed. Very, very easy. But what if we want to reverse the text, the effect in the video at the same time? So I'm just gonna head over here to text, add this text here. I'm gonna write here whatever, how to reverse video in CapCut, something like so. And I'm gonna add this type right effect. I'm gonna increase the duration. So it lasts the entire time. And also I'm gonna increase the duration here. And now also I'll change the font to a more like hand kind of right effect, something like this. And now I'll also go to effects here and write opening, and I'll add this effect at the beginning. And now I have to select all the videos, and also I like to add the close, so it's opening and then it's closing, but that's not closing. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna highlight everything, press on Z to cut, and then right click, create a compound clip. Now click on this and then click on reverse, and now it's going to reverse the video. It just takes some time, but I'm just showing you that now it's going to be this. Instead of starting from here, it's going to be inverse, so it's going to start from here. It's just that takes some time. It's a bug, I don't know why. So you see, it should load very fast. I don't know, I tried this so many times, like I've recorded that's the 4th time. Anyways, now you can highlight everything here, create a compound clip, and you can just reverse this portion with inside of the text will reverse as well, the video. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and take care.